Welcome guys to Today in Crypto, and please, if you're just joining us, please do us to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And Today in Crypto, we have some news here, news headlines here. First on our list is costly mistake. Someone just sold a bought ape NFT for 200 USDC. So someone actually just sold mistakenly. It's actually like a mistake. Sold his bought ape app bought ABH NFT for 200 USDC, which presently the floor price for bought ABH NFT is over 101 Ethereum, which is a over $200,000, but someone sold it mistakenly for 200 USDC. But there are kind of controversies in line with this sale. You get some people say it's actually a mistake, some people say it's actually something done intentionally. Yeah, something done intentionally to avoid fees and tax evasion. So on Sunday, Sunday, someone sold bought ABH 6 #6462 for 200 USDC. So that's actually normally we call it a mistake in the crypto space. So that's why when you are selling your NFTs and the rest, and any mistake in the crypto space, when transactions like that are being taken, they are irreversible and it could cost you a fortune. This is actually not the first time people have mistakenly sold, let's say, the NFT at a very ridiculous low amount. Last time we saw someone selling his NFT, but still bought a app Yacht NFT for $3,000 in something he actually was supposed to sell for $300,000. So mistakenly sold it for $3,000. So you actually have to actually be always very careful when you are doing that, so you don't fall prey to this. But still, from research, he says that this is actually. I actually also believe that it was maybe tax invasion because the address of the person that actually bought it was a new, let's say, NFT or OpenSea account less than created this month, and the offer was accepted in another few minutes after being received and the rest. So it might be some underground something fishy inside that job. It's not actually like a mistake, but mistakes like that still happen. So it's like a warning. And we also have another news here that Bitcoin records its longest bearish strike since early 2021. I've actually seen Bitcoin on a bearish season for over 7 weekly red candles in a row. It's actually the longest. It's actually not happened before, and it's actually a crazy one since 2015. You get, and but now we have seen for the past 7 weeks consecutively that Bitcoin has been in a bearish season. Bearish. You can actually see the chart here that we have seen Bitcoin bearish. It has been bearish and it has been falling, 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 falling. And last week we actually saw Bitcoin at $24,000. We don't know how this week will go in. We can actually still see Bitcoin going lower. It's really beginning. The beginning of the week actually kind of looked bullish, but we now see it's actually falling. Right now, it fell from $30,000 to right now 29,000 at low as 29,200. So you might actually see the market still falling badly this week. Actually, a crazy one. This is actually the longest bearish in a week. Then we also have another news here from Binance CEO. He actually says the remedy for Luna. We actually know what has happened about Luna U and UST is for Luna team to buy back or burn Terra, which that is the only way to create value. But now Luna team is actually complaining that they don't actually have capital. Let's say if you want to buy back to make the value come back to be meaningful, because right now so much Luna has been pumped into circulation, has been created, minted, based on the actually what just happened because of the Luna to UST or how it was created, decentralization. And also Binance CEO actually also claimed that they are not been holding any UST so far. But it was noted that in 2018 they actually invested, Binance Labs actually invested in Luna blockchain, with 3 million US dollars. And I believe, okay, and they actually know normally you invest, you can actually also lose that investment or failed projects and the rest. But they say aside that they have not been holding UST token. They have not been holding it. The only thing they have been doing is getting it from gas fees. Which right now those gas fees does not amount to anything tangible. Okay. So another news here we have is from FTX chief, that's CEO. Sam Bankman. He actually said that things that Bitcoin has no future as a payment system. And I think I'm kind of in support of what he's actually saying, because Bitcoin was created, by Satoshi Nakamoto, as a means of payment. But right now, based on the, and if we actually want to use that as a means of payment to save the whole world, based on the fact that Bitcoin was built on the proof to work modalities, and it's actually been so much, yeah, it's actually been delayed. So he actually stated that he didn't actually condemn Bitcoin, but he said if you actually want to use Bitcoin or want to use a cryptocurrency for means of payment for massive adoption and for speed, yeah, for speed too, for speed, so actually we should actually use a proof of stake project, yeah, project which Ethereum is trying to turn into one. So we can actually, that will actually be more scalable. Yeah, that will actually be more scalable because that such a network is scalable. But aside that, he actually said that Bitcoin is actually a good store of value, which we have actually seen. Now countries are actually going to buy Bitcoin into their balance sheet. Countries are accepting Bitcoin as a lender, tender, and the rest. So Bitcoin as a store of value, like gold and the rest, is actually quite a good one, and it's going to actually be. To me, that's what Bitcoin is going to be. You get, not really maybe payment, means of payments and the rest, but actually a store of value. You should actually buy it, and you own an asset. Then in the last news here we have is a bullish news, a very bullish one, that President of El Salvador, President Nayib Bukele, he actually announced yesterday on a tweet that over 44 countries will be meeting in El Salvador to discuss about Bitcoin and the rest. So that's quite bullish. And if that meeting turns successful, a good one, we can see these countries coming back and accepting Bitcoin as a legal tender in their countries, or actually reforming so many of their, let's say, regulations and rules that actually be in favor to the Bitcoin community. So that's actually a good one. We actually pray that the meeting actually yields good success, and that'll be a bullish one for the whole crypto community. So that's all for today in crypto. Please, if you got value, please do all to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Peace out.